Secret!
Secret! Ito yung isa sa mga sinod namin ng last day na talaga namang sabi talaga, no one will take pictures!
As in talagang bawal mag-video and all that.
Yes.
Sabi nga, in-edit ko kanina, yung buong editing room nagtitilian ng mga tao.
Yun na po. That's it.
That's all.
Ano na, last na lang to, Alden. Pwede mong describe yung relationship niya ni main off-screen.
We're very close. I mean, nakakatawa like yesterday since hindi ako nakadating sa Walk of Fame ceremony. Sinabi ko kasi sa kanya sa shoot, kailangan ko kasi magpa-check up tomorrow for recovery at the same time. Baka pwedeng saluhin mo na lang yung award ko. Tapos kinuha niya yung award for me. Then napakadaling kausap eh. Walang arte. Like what Direk told you guys. She's a girl. And that's it. A very raw, selfless, simple girl na madaling abutin.
Last na lang talaga.